UBER stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Uber Technology stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. Now, especially because I'm looking at Uber and it seems like it's in a beautiful bullish market, I'm not going to just randomly just jot down, start buying like crazy. You know, still going to stick to my edge with 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. All that documented by the way on my YouTube channel if you don't believe me. But a very decent idea, but then it sort of kind of came down and then delivered. So how I'm going to do so is, this whole thing is it's a demand zone itself. Oh my goodness, we're like literally one break away to just milking this thing up yet again. First break, if there is a second break above $90, then I'm taking it further up. Again, randomly buying, it's not just going to be happening. So I'll keep you updated, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy.